Hello everyone. Central Tbilisi currently looks like a war zone. Since July 23, Shota Rustaveli Avenue in Tbilisi has been closed for large-scale reconstruction, which will be completed by the end of November. The very next day, Georgian Water and Power began work on a full-scale replacement of the outdated water supply and sewerage networks. The pipes here haven't been replaced since the middle of the last century. The contractor is actively dismantling existing fences, curbs, and other infrastructure elements on the sidewalks, so that the next phase will bring the space up to modern standards. Additionally, preparatory work for the reconstruction of underground passages is intensively underway. All work is being carried out simultaneously in several areas, significantly speeding up the project. Construction debris is removed and new materials are delivered at night to restrict the movement of large vehicles during the day. As soon as the first phase is completed, we will begin work on the building facades. Most of them represent historical heritage, and therefore, each structure must be handled with the utmost care. Bicycle lanes will be installed on Rustaveli Avenue. The city's main artery will be landscaped. Tbilisi City Hall plans to reconstruct all major streets in the city. Next on the agenda is the renovation of Shota Rustaveli Avenue in the Subortalo district. 3 international airports in Georgia will be expanded. Work has already begun on expanding the existing airport in Tbilisi, which will increase its capacity to 10 million passengers per year. Construction of an airport in Vaziani, near Tbilisi, will begin in 2027. Its capacity will be 20 million passengers per year. This will increase the country's tourism and transit potential. Good luck to all of you.